Hello students. So today again I am here to take up the same chapter which I have explained in the previous video. In the previous video I have explained the first two type of sentence, that is statement and question. In this video I am going to explain the other two, that is command and exclamation. So now the next type of sentence, command. First I am going to read out the definition. It requests or orders something to the subject of the sentence. However, the subject you is not used in such a sentence and it begins with an action word. So these sentences request or order something to the subject. The subject you won't be used to give orders or requests. It will begin with an action word or a verb. Verb and action word are both same. So command, what does command do? The command used to give orders or to make polite request to somebody or about something. Now you see the examples over here. Open the windows. Here open is an action word. So this sentence is giving an order to open the windows without mentioning you as a subject. You is not mentioned here. You can see you open the windows. No, it is only the action word is given. Means the sentence is starting with an action word. Open the windows means the sentence is giving an order. Now you see the other example, please stand up. What is please? When we make a polite request to somebody about something or about someone, we use please. So here also in this sentence you see please stand up means this sentence is making a polite request to please stand up. When we use please to make a polite request. So that means first sentence is giving the order and second sentence is making a polite request. So what is a command? Command either give orders or it make polite request without using you as a subject. It will begin with an action word but it won't begin with a subject you. Okay, such sentences also end with a full stop. So statement also ends with a full stop and command also ends with a full stop. Always remember that statement and command, both these type of sentences ends with a full stop. Not an exclamation mark, not a question mark, but it ends with a full stop. Now we'll move on to our last type of sentence, exclamation. Now the last type of sentence, exclamation. It expresses strong and sudden feelings such as happiness or sadness which the subject of the sentence may have at the time of speaking. So exclamatory sentences show certain kind of emotions like happiness or sadness while speaking. It can show how happy you are or how sad you are while speaking. For example, you see what here it is given, the examples. What a beautiful scenery. In this sentence, somebody is showing the happiness, like how happy that person is to see that scenery, and that emotion is shown with an exclamation mark. You can see at the end of the sentence exclamation mark is given. Yes, just to show that somebody is showing some emotion in this sentence, emotion of happiness. What emotion is shown? Happiness. And now you can see the other example. Oh, after oh, an exclamation mark is there. Oh, I lost my new pencil. So in this sentence, exclamation mark is there. That means this sentence is showing certain kind of emotion. Now, what emotion is shown in this sentence? Oh, I lost my new pencil. It is sadness. Somebody is sad because that person has lost the new pencil. So what are exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences show certain kind of emotion or certain kind of feeling of happiness or feeling of sadness. It can be either of them. So exclamatory sentences show certain kind of emotions or of happiness or sadness through an exclamation mark. When exclamation mark is there in the sentence, that means that sentence is in the exclamation form. That sentence is in the exclamation form. An exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. I've already explained you that when a sentence is in the exclamation form, it has to end with an exclamation mark. It won't end with a full stop or a question mark, but it would end with an exclamation mark, so that we'll understand that this sentence is showing certain kind of emotion or certain kind of feeling. So yes, that's all for today. I have just taken up this chapter again so that you all can revise it what I have taught in the previous video. I'm sure now you might have understood properly because I have explained again from the new book. Now I'll be taking up the exercises of this chapter in the next video, but for today this much is only there. So yeah, thank you.